Oh, look at this angelic creation.
Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make some cloud bread. Let's get it. Alright, so we're going to start off with 3 egg whites at room temperature. Ideally, you want your eggs sitting at room temperature because that's what's going to make the most ideal conditions for the best whipping to make your cloud bread really fluffy and bouncy. After a little bit of whisking our eggs here, I'm going to add about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can also add in a little bit of vanilla here for an additional layer of flavor. After we get some of these stiff peaks, you can actually bake it at this point and end up with some cloud bread. But let's make this a little bit more fun. So I'm going to divide our batter into 3 different portions and add in different food coloring. And just gently, you want to layer this one on top of the other. Be careful to preserve that aeration because that's what's going to make this really cloudy, fluffy, and bouncy. If you want the exact recipe, check out the description box below, and while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm really trying to hit my first 100 subscribers, so I'd appreciate it if all of you could hit that subscribe button. Once this is ready, I'm just going to bake it at 320 degrees for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, folks, some incredibly fluffy cloud bread.